Remember back in the day when you'd flip through magazines, clipping out pictures for inspiration? Interior design was once a world of mood boards and vague sketches. You hoped your contractor understood your vision. Thankfully, those days are long gone. Welcome to the era of digital design. Now, powerful software programs give you the reins. Imagine designing your dream home from your couch. Technology is changing how we approach home renovations. This isn't just for the pros. User-friendly platforms empower homeowners to become active participants in the design process. It's about removing the guesswork and replacing it with clarity and control. Let's meet the stars of the show. SketchUp is a favorite for its intuitive interface and three-dimensional modeling capabilities. Want to play around with different furniture arrangements? SketchUp makes it a breeze. For more complex projects, AutoCAD is the industry heavyweight. It's a powerhouse for detailed floor plans and technical drawings. Then there's Home Designer, perfect for do-it-yourself enthusiasts. These programs offer a range of features from basic to advanced. No matter your skill level, there's a tool out there that fits your needs. Each platform brings something unique to the table, but they all share a common goal: making design accessible. The magic truly begins with three-dimensional visualization. Remember those vague sketches? Digital tools transform them into photorealistic renderings. You can practically step inside your future kitchen. Imagine choosing paint colors by seeing them applied to your actual walls virtually. Want to see how that velvet sofa looks in your living room? No problem, just drag and drop. This immersive experience eliminates the guesswork. No more wondering if the dining table will fit or if the rug clashes with the curtains. You'll know exactly what you're getting. We've all been there. The renovation nightmare. The wall color is off, the tiles don't match, and suddenly your budget is blown. Digital design tools act as your safety net. By creating accurate three-dimensional models, these programs help you spot potential issues before they become expensive problems. Notice that the hallway is too narrow. Adjust it in the design phase, not during construction. This foresight saves you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. It ensures that your vision translates seamlessly into reality without any unwelcome surprises. Section 5, the power of AI in design. Hold on, because it gets even more futuristic. Some of these platforms are incorporating artificial intelligence. Picture this. You input your style preferences, budget, and room dimensions. The AI then generates design suggestions tailored to your needs. It's like having a virtual interior designer at your fingertips. This feature is particularly helpful for those who feel overwhelmed by design choices. Imagine receiving suggestions for furniture pieces that perfectly match your style and budget. AI takes the guesswork out of decision-making and opens up a world of possibilities. Section 6, streamlining the renovation journey. From the initial concept to the final touches, digital tools streamline the entire renovation process. They facilitate clear communication between homeowners, contractors, and suppliers. Everyone involved can access the same three-dimensional model, ensuring they're on the same page. No more misinterpretations or lost in translation moments. This collaborative approach fosters efficiency and reduces the risk of errors. Remember the days of endless phone calls and revisions? Digital design tools help you avoid those headaches. They make the renovation journey smoother, faster, and far less stressful. Section 7, democratizing design expertise. In the past, hiring an interior designer was a luxury reserved for the few. Digital design tools are changing that by democratizing design expertise. They empower homeowners to take control of their spaces. These tools provide access to professional-grade design resources at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're renovating an entire house or just refreshing a single room, you have the power to create a space you love. It's about breaking down barriers and making good design accessible to everyone. You don't need a degree in interior design to have a stylish and functional home. These tools level the playing field. Section 8, the future of home renovation. The future of home renovation is digital and it's exciting. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative features in these design tools. Imagine virtual reality walkthroughs where you can experience your future home before a single wall is demolished. Or how about augmented reality tools that overlay design elements onto your real-time view? The possibilities are endless. These advancements will further enhance the design process, making it even more immersive, intuitive, and accessible for everyone. Section 9. Embracing the digital revolution. The world of interior design has been revolutionized by digital tools. They've empowered homeowners, streamlined the renovation process, and made beautiful design more accessible than ever. As we venture further into this digital age, let's embrace these innovative tools that are transforming the way we design and experience our living spaces. So whether you're planning a minor refresh or a major renovation, consider exploring the world of digital design tools. It might just change your entire perspective on home renovation.